Hi Boujee Babes, it's the Barbie and I'm back with another video. So today what I'm going to be showing y'all is basically how I created my website and what I use. So basically I use Wix.com. So I use Wix.com to create my website. So as you can see here, I have like some of the websites that I've created below. But this is the one I actually use. As you can see, it says premium, so that means I'm basically paying for it. These other ones are just sitting here, and yeah. So what you're gonna do is just gonna go up here. First, you have to create, like, as soon as you go to Wix, you have to create a login and all that, and then you'll hit create site, and then you'll basically choose what kind of website you're wanting to, like, you're going to decide what kind of website you want to create. So are you going for business, online store, photography, music, events, blah, blah, you see it. So I think what I did, I chose online store. So to create your website, you're going to go to, this is what I did choose a template. So you can basically choose from any of these like templates shown, and you can also go into like these other tabs as well. If you like some of these, they have a lot to choose from. You can also start from scratch if you would like. I prefer to start from a template. That's how I started out doing my website, is I chose a template. So what I'm gonna do is go back to online store, and I guess I'll just choose, I guess I'll do this one for like hair extensions. So what you do is you hit, why is it doing it? You're gonna hit edit. Okay, so once it loads up, what you could do is just basically change everything. Like this background right here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna act like I'm creating this website for me just all over again, right? So it has slides here, you know, for like, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just click, all you have to do is click in the middle and then hit change slide background, and we're basically going to use, hold on, change slide background, go over here, hit image. So you're gonna go to, I should already have media on here. Basically you could just upload, you know, whatever. I'm just gonna use what I have here. So I guess I'll just put, I'll just use this picture. So I'll use this picture. So we're gonna do change background. I'm gonna just do one for now. So I'm gonna hit change background and boom. So it's gonna change it to that, right? To clear out those other images, what you're gonna do is go to, what do you go to? I forgot. Oh, manage slides. You go to manage slides, and slide 2 is gonna show you that other picture, and we don't want that, so we're gonna delete it. If you want to, you can put them in order like this too. You can have the slide 2 show first and then slide 1 show second. It's just up to you. But so we're gonna delete slide 2 because we don't want her on there. So we're gonna delete. That's a real pretty picture though. So now you're just gonna have this one here. And then you could change this to, you know, you could leave it as free express shipping, or you could put like a coupon code up here. You could put like use code Barbie for money off, for, let's say, for 20% off. Customers like seeing numbers, for 20% off. So we could do that at the top. And then we're gonna go here. And you can change the design of this. So you're gonna go to design, and you can change it to like this chunky right here, these bold letters right here. You can change it to this. But let's do this. Let's do this one. And you can also customize as well. So you can like make it when you customize it, you can change the color of the text and all of that. So let's see, let's do pink. Let's just do some type of pink. So we'll just do that. And then you can add this so that way you everything like so that way when you click on other text, you already have the color here. You don't have to keep trying to like basically keep trying to match it to see if it's gonna match that color. But anyway, so yeah, you want to click on it. And once you click on it, you can just X this out. You can also change the font and all of that right here. So now that we did that, let me show you how to change the color of this to match this exactly. So we're gonna hit edit text, and then you're gonna go to colors, and then it's gonna be right here. And that's gonna match with what you have at the top. So now for buttons, like if you wanna put, we can change the text on the button. Let's put shop. You can put shop now, shop lashes, whatever picture you have back here is what you should put shop for. So let's just put shop now. And if you want to do a link, the link is basically going to be for the pages you have at the top right here. Or yeah, so basically that. So and then you just select which one you want to go to. So let's just say lashes done. So if your customer comes to your website and clicks on shop now, it's going to take them directly to lashes because you have this link to lashes. You can also change the design or the animation of this button. Most people shop on mobile, so the animations aren't going to show on mobile. They only show online, like on a desktop. But anyway, so you can change your buttons here. They have several buttons you could choose from. Let's do this one. So we're just going to choose that button. So let's X this out, get it off my screen. All right, so now we can go down, and you don't have to, if you want to, you could keep all this. Like I'm saying, this is just a template that we chose that I could show y'all like how to work with. Like if you want to, you can put some stuff here. You can even put your about me here, or your your top seller here. You could put like a little image of your top seller. Like let's see if I could do this. Yeah, you could put like basically here, I would say you could put like a little bit about your business or what services you offer. And then again, you don't even have to have this. You can just hit delete and do away with it. You know what I'm saying? And you could put you could just put your own little thing right here. So let's do like a top seller. So right here we have this little blank space, right? So we can add our own image. So let's add an image here. So you just go to image, and then you go to my uploads, and of course you just upload your media. I'm gonna go over here and try to get mine. Hold on. Let's see. I'm gonna just put this as my top seller. So let's do this. So we're gonna add that to the page. It's probably gonna be real big, but that's not a problem. So now we just make it smaller. Just like so. And let's put it over here. We can put that right there, and we could just go here and we can add a text. Everything over here is what you can add to your site, you guys. You have your text, you can add an image, galleries like pictures of your services or your products, vector art, shapes, buttons, a whole bunch of stuff. I haven't tried, I don't know how to do the music or anything yet. I just feel like I don't need that on my website, but you can do music, you can do videos. I would love to put a video one day of me, like, you know, packaging up some orders or something on here, or just me making some lip gloss, add that to my website or whatever. So you have a lot of stuff that you can add. You know, you have bookings, members, all of that. So like I said, we're going to add a text. So we're going to go ahead and add a text. Let's do a huge title. So did it click? Hold on. So we're going to add a huge title. Do I have to drag it? Goddamn. Okay, so I guess I have to drag it. So now let's put it over here. And let's just put top seller. And we can make this like a color. Let's make it pink too. So we're going to make it the pink that we already added to our color so it can match with the other text. And we're just going to bring it down. We can put it right here. And then you can also add a background if you don't like how that's clashing with the lash in the back. You know, just you know, just showing you guys. So you can, let's just add that blue right there, okay? So we're gonna do that, top seller, and then we're gonna put what it's called underneath. So we're gonna add another text and we're gonna put Winter Wonderland set. So I guess you do have to drag it in. I used to just be like to where you can click it, or maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna put it right here. You know, I'm gonna put this black. That's gonna mess, that blue gonna mess with me. So let's make that black. Let's just do black so they could pop out anyway. And then we're gonna put under here, we're gonna put what it's called. We're gonna put Winter Wonderland set. And if it does that, this is all you have to do. You can stretch it like this and it'll make it a little bit smaller. Hold on. Just stretch it like that. And then you can go back in and highlight it all. Oops. Come on. Let's just do edit text and let's just make it smaller. And let's do that. Boom. And then we're gonna move it down. And we're just gonna do it like that. Let's make it a little bit smaller so it won't be cut off on the page. Let's see, edit text. Matter of fact, let's do this. Yeah, like that. And then let's bring it over. And we're just gonna do like that. We're just gonna do Winter Wonderland set. Top seller, Winter Wonderland set. And that's the Winter Wonderland set. All right, so let's scroll down. And here, I actually like this little setup they have right here. This is a cute template to work off of. Okay, so in here you can do whatever you want. Here you could put a picture of your lashes, a picture of your lip glosses over here. Doesn't really matter, do what you do. And then let's go to basically your products. You could do a grid gallery right here, or you don't even have to have this right here, but this is actually pretty cute. Like, I would love to have this actually on my site to where you could just do like have your best sellers all at the bottom. This is actually a good idea, so you guys should really actually do this. So yeah, you have your best sellers at the bottom, and I can show you guys how they do these little, you know, what are they called? I can't think of what they're called. Ribbons. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's get into that. Make sure I'm not missing nothing. Okay, you can also view your products from here. You can just click on this and then click manage products. All right, so I'm just gonna delete all of this so I can just show y'all from scratch of how to do this. So they have 40 products on here, and I'm going to delete all 40, which is what you would do to start your website as well. So we're just going to delete all of this. Boom. So basically, when you come to your product page, let me show you how to get to your product page. So all this is gonna be deleted. Okay, right? Big. So that's gone. So to get to your product page, you want to click on My Store, Get Started, and then Add Products. So once it loads up and you add your first product, you go to Add Image, Add Images, right? And I'm gonna just add this photo right here. I'm gonna click Add to Page, and I'm gonna put Boujee Set. I'm gonna just put the name of it is called Boujee Set. And this is where you can get the ribbons, where it says like bestseller, top seller, new arrival. So let's just put new arrival so I can show you guys. And you just click add, and then you put the price here. Let's just say $30. If you ever want to do a sale, of course you just hit the sale button, and you could do money off, or you could do a percentage. If you want to do money off, you could just do like, let's say $10 off. It's gonna automatically do it for you, and so forth. So let's just take that off because there's no sale. And then description here, you could say this comes as a set, top and bottom. Let's just say that for description. Now here is a tricky part that I had problems with when I first started. So I've never used this add info section. You can for like policies and stuff like that. For my lip glosses, I use my description box. I use my description box here to put the ingredients and stuff for my lip glosses. But anyway, so you can also add a custom text field. Like for instance, for wholesale, I could add this to my wholesale option on my site to where it's mandatory for them, mandatory or unmandatory. So you can check it or uncheck it. Let's check it and just put like you could just put like, what do you want on your hoodie? If you want to do customize, what would you like on the hoodie? And then they could put, I'm actually going to add this to my website so I won't have any more issues with people forgetting to put what colors they want, because for some reason people still forget to put what colors they want for their lip gloss, and it's just like, am I supposed to know what colors you want? Like, am I supposed to read your mind or what? So I'm actually going to add this on there. This is actually a good idea. So what would you like on the hoodie? And I'm going to just put Boujee, or I'm going to just put Barbie. So they can choose from those two, right? Or if you don't even want to do the mandatory field, you don't have to do the mandatory field. You don't have to do none of this. What you can do, you could just go to options right here and option name. So we're gonna do, let's do sizes, and to add you got to hit the comma. Actually, not right there, sizes. So we're gonna put small, you don't even have to fill out, small comma, medium comma, large comma, and the comma is what breaks it up. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna add it, right? And then you could do another option like what I was just telling y'all. Do they want, if you want them to choose from Boujee or Barbie? So let's put text. The option name can be text, and we could say have them choose from Boujee, comma, or Barbie, comma. So we're gonna hit add that, and let's do colors. Why not? Let's do color. Would you like a black set? Let's do black, comma, white, comma, or pink, comma. And you can do lists. I don't really do too much with the color, so I just always do lists. So I'm gonna just show y'all what list. So black, white, or pink. And then you want to manage your pricing and inventory for variants. So to do that, you just turn it on, and let's say for instance you want to charge more for Barbie, for them to get Barbie on the sweater instead of Boujee. So if you want to, you can add an extra, okay, because it's going to show you the small. It's going to show you small, medium, large for black, small, medium, large for Barbie. So if they want Barbie, let's say we're going to add just, it's going to be an extra $3.99 for Barbie. So every time for each Barbie, you want to make sure you add in your $3.99 every time you see Barbie. Because you see here, you got small white, medium, you got small bougie white, medium bougie white, and large bougie white. And then you got small Barbie white, medium Barbie white, and large Barbie white. For Barbie, y'all know we're going to add that extra $3.99 charge. You have to make sure you do it to every single one. And you got bougie pink, medium, bougie pink, small, bougie pink, large. And then you got Barbie pink. So y'all know we're going to add that $3.99. All right, and then if you want to, you could do in stock, or you could do out of stock, or you could do track inventory, and you could put however many you have. Let's say we got 2 small bougie blacks. Hold on. Let's say we got 2 small bougie blacks and we have 0 mediums, but we have 10 larges. We could do that. So we're gonna just apply that like that, and you're basically done putting your product in. You can also create a collection for this. Like you could put it under like best sellers, or you can create your own and just put like apparel to keep everything like in a certain collection, especially when it's time to use coupons and stuff like that. It asks you what collection do you want your coupons to be on. Which collection do you want your customers to use the coupons on, and then you could just select the collection. So let's just add apparel and then hit save. So now you have a bougie set on here. So now when you go to the front of your page, this will be on there. Oh no, it won't, because oh yeah, it will, because we put it under bestseller. So let's exit out. And wait, hold on guys. It didn't go to our gallery. That must be linked to something else. Let's see. Let's go back. And let's just check all of these. Let's do accessories, hair extensions, and lashes. And let's save. And now, okay, there it is. I don't know what collection they have it under, but oh, this is because they didn't take me back to the home page. I want to be on the home page. They got me on accessories. Sorry guys. Let's go back home. So it will be on your home page because it's part of your products. So let's scroll down. Yep, it is part of the bestsellers. So you just check the bestsellers and it'll come up here. And let's preview how this looks. So you just hit preview whenever you want to view your site. Ooh, come on computer. Play with somebody else. I'm trying to work here. So, like I said, once you click on shop now, it's going to take you to the lash page. We don't have any lashes on here because we don't have, so it's going to take you to the lash page. And the reason why this came up on here is because we check marked lashes, so that's why it came to this product page, you guys. That's why it's showing up. But anyways, let's go back home. Let's go back home. That's the home button. So scroll down, and you guys can also add a button here. You can also add a button right here that says shop Winter Wonderland set and take them straight to the Winter Wonderland set. Okay, so now my computer about to die. Let's click on this set so I can show y'all how to work it, or how it works with the options we set up. So it's very simple. So you have your bougie set, select sizes. This is going to be beginner friendly, you guys. I'm going to have to do a more advanced how to set up a website soon, but this is beginner friendly, okay? So small, let's do small because we're sold out of medium, you guys, because we put 0, remember? So we have 10 larges, and I think we put like 2 small. So she wants small. And oh, I didn't even put this in stock either, but y'all know how to do it. You just put in stock or out of stock. So we're gonna choose Boujee, color black, and it's gonna add it to cart, and boom, it's added to your cart. So now what will be the next step? Let's go back to our editor. Okay, so I showed y'all how to do the front of the page. So I showed y'all how to do home page setup. I showed y'all how to do buttons, add text, add a product. Now let's go to. So let's go to the FAQ, shipping returns, store policy, all of that. You could just click on it from up here, and you could just go in and edit it and put your own information. That part should be pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I could do a more in-depth video soon. But all of this, you can literally just go in, like the about, contact, FAQ, shipping, return, store policy, all that you can literally go in and just edit yourself. So I showed y'all how to add the product, do like the buttons for the home page, text, and everything else like I just said. Let's see, thank you page, product page, cart, all of that. So now, oh, let me show y'all this too. Make sure when you're creating your website, make sure you go to mobile. You want to go to the mobile part as well, because it is not going to be the same. It's not going to look the same as it looks on a desktop, right? We all know this. So make sure when you are creating your website through Wix, you click on the mobile option as well. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. So let's go home, and y'all gonna see what I'm saying. You see how everything is different? You see how right here it doesn't have the thing next to it? So you have to create it to where it's mobile friendly as well. And what I mean by mobile friendly is you have to make sure everything you show on desktop is going to be mobile friendly to show on your customers' cell phones. So you see how you have your top seller in Winter Wonderland set here. What you should do, you don't want to leave it here, right? What you want to do is move it on top of the picture, like a ribbon or something. And let's do like this. Let's put top seller, and then you can make the words bigger or smaller using this. We're doing smaller right now, so we're going to reduce it. And then let's grab our Winter Wonderland set, and let's make that a little bit smaller. And let's just drag that right here. Drag that right there. And of course, it's just on top of the picture. Let's go ahead and go in and change the color of that. So we just go to mobile settings, and we're gonna make it white just for now. I know that looks kind of ugly, but it's okay. Y'all get what I'm trying to do. You can also delete spaces. So if you have, let's move this up like this. So you can move that up like that, and then you can delete the space in between like that. Okay, so let's scroll down, and you're gonna have your bestseller still right here. And yeah, so let's see how it's gonna look for when we let's do shop all. So yeah, that's how it's gonna look on mobile. Anyways, let's go back to desktop. Just know everything you do on desktop, make sure you always go here to your top left corner, and switch to your mobile site, because you want to make sure the mobile site looks like the desktop site, but mobile version. All right. Like I said, I'm just doing this beginner friendly for you guys. I will do a more advanced website set up soon, but right now I just want to help some people out that are trying to hurry up and create a website and they don't know what to do or where to start. So if you guys have any questions throughout this video, just comment below and I'll try to the best of my ability to answer them for you. Okay, next. So, okay, we did that. We added our product. We did our homepage. We created a button to link to products. What else did we do? We switched to mobile. Let's go to shipping. So we're going to go to shipping, and the way we get to shipping is we go to store manager, go to dashboard, I think. This should be right though. Yep, it sure is. You go to dashboard, and then you go to settings. You go to settings. And then this is going to have everything that you really need to set up to get your site going. So, yeah. We're going to go into shipping once I get back and accepting payments and stuff like that. All right, so now the next steps would be shipping. So I get a lot of questions about shipping. So this is where you'll do your shipping at. So let's go back and let me show you guys how to get here. So you'll go to, on the side here, you have these options. So you're going to click on the shopping bag and you're going to go to dashboard. And then over here, you will go to settings. And then here, store shipping. So for shipping, what you can do, this is where you can do free shipping and all of that. So basically, let's just go ahead and edit. And here are the options right here. So you could do flat rate, rate by weight, rate by price. Right now I use rate by price. At first I used a flat rate. A flat rate is where it's just a flat rate of, let's say you charge $7.99 for shipping. It's just a flat rate of $7.99 for every product on your website. Is $7.99 shipping. So of course you can put here just standard shipping. And then of course how long it takes. You see it has 3 to 5 here. If it takes longer than that, you can do 5 to 7 or whatever you want to do. And then the rate is going to be, let's say $8.99. So that's what you can do there. You can offer free delivery over a certain amount. All you have to do is check mark this box. And if they spend like over $80, they get free delivery. I don't do any of this down here, so I wouldn't be able to help you guys with this. Add a handling fee to every order. I don't do any of that. Allow store pickup, none of that just yet. Now, rate by weight is basically, you'll have to put the weight of each, like you'll have to weigh your products and put that in when you're putting your products, like when you're uploading them to your website, and then you'll have to put the weight in. And then I guess that's how you do all that, but that's too complicated for me at the moment. So I just do the easy way, and I just do rate by price. So standard shipping. Excuse me. Standard shipping, right? Estimated delivery time. Let's say we'll just keep it 3 to 5. Now this is how I do mine. So price is $0 to $6.99. The cheapest thing on my site is no, $0 to $10. I think that's what's on my site. So if they spend $10, the shipping is $6.99. Now if they spend, wait, is it like, no, I think it's like $6.99 and then it's $13.99. So if they spend $0 to like, I think it's $30. Shipping is $6.99. Cause yeah, and then I have it from 30, and you could do 30 and up. $30 purchases and up, you could do $13.99. Like if my customers purchase like wholesale and stuff like that, the shipping is a little bit more because, you know, it weighs more. You can also add another range if you like, and you could do 30 to, let's say, $60 is $13.99. So $60 and up is going to be, let's just say you want to charge $20. This is just an example. So yeah, you could do price, weight by price, and this is actually what I do. I don't actually have these numbers right. I'll have to go back in and check how I have it, but this is an example for you guys, and this is how you could do it if you want to do rate by price. So yeah, so that's pretty much that on shipping, and you could do the same thing with international as well. I'm not really going to go too much into international shipping because I get international orders, but not like that. I probably get like 5 a month. So most of my customers are within the US. So I mean, I guess it's the same. It has everything here. So yeah, if you're international, if you live out of the US, then yeah. So what else? Accept payments. In order for you to accept payments, you have to set up your, what's this? No, I don't want to do that. So in order to set up your payments, in order for you to get paid, the easiest way I did it was I just connected my PayPal. You could do Wix as well, and it'll come to, I guess, it'll go to like your, I actually don't know where your payments will go if you use Wix, but I just know with PayPal, this is an easy option, you guys. From my, like, this works for me, it may not work for you. I use PayPal, so I set up a business PayPal account, and I just connect my PayPal to the Wix account, and that makes everything so much easier, okay? Because all of your payments made on your website will go straight to your PayPal balance, and it's just going to add up. And you can also use that when you're shipping out your labels. You can use PayPal for that as well. But in order for you to connect your payments, you have to upgrade your site, and you have to actually pay for it. Let's see. It was like a free option on here, but I guess it changed because, okay, I see. So you can create your website for free, but in order to accept payments, you have to pay for one of these. So I guess I had that wrong. Sorry, guys. But it's not that much. You can start out with the basic website. This is what I did. I started out with the basic plan, and they take $23 a month automatically from my account. That's what I started out with. Or you can pay, if you're a big baller, you can pay for this if you would like. Or you can even do this one. Right now, I think I have the second one. But yeah, so if you're just now starting your business and everything like that, let's just go ahead and just do the basic plan. And this is the one. You could do, hold on, let me see. Oh, no, that's yearly. If you want to pay yearly, you can, but it's going to give you the amount 23 times 12, of course, for, let's see, it'll be, so you'll basically be paying like almost $300 if you just want to do it yearly. Now, if you just want to do it monthly, like how I started out, that's how I started out. I recommend that for everybody, but you have to pay for your domain, and your domain is basically like your website. So for instance, mine is boujeebarbie.net. Okay, so yeah, so if you want to do monthly, you just go here and you just put in your information, and then you submit your purchase, and then you'll be able to take payments on your website, and it'll go to your PayPal. And yeah, so that's easy peasy. As far as domain, let me show y'all. Let me see if I can get to the domain part. So this is, you have to pay for this. You have to use at least one of the plans in order to start accepting payments on your website. And it's not that much. It's really not that much, you guys. You can make $30 in like a week, okay? Like, come on. If you really want to do something, you're going to make it happen, okay? I don't know what this part, to accept online payment, make sure to upgrade your site with a business plan. Oh, so you do have to do this one. You can't do just regular website. Okay, so let's try to go to the domains. Let me just see. Let me see if I can show y'all that part. Let's see. How to do a domain right here. So it's going to be all under dashboard. So domain. You need a domain, you guys. You need a domain, okay? So you just click on domains and you can buy a new domain or you can connect a domain you already have. Now, I don't know how to do this because I just bought a brand new one. So yeah, so in order to do a domain, you have to make sure it's, available for use. If we use Boujee Barbie, it's not going to be available. Let me show y'all. Can't use that, sis. But anyway, so let's just say your business, you sell oils. Let's just say oilsforyou.net. Oh, okay, that's already taken. Let's think of something else. I don't even know. Let's say Boujee Babes.net. Okay, so it's gonna let you know if it's available. If it's available, then you're gonna hit get it. And now if you want a free domain, then it's gonna show you which one you can purchase to get it free and all in just one bundle. So let's see that option. Okay, so it's gonna be this one. It's gonna be the second option, I'm guessing. Yep. Let's see. Free domain for 1 year, you guys. Free domain. Wait, so you can get a free domain with this one too. But that's only if you purchase, I'm guessing if you purchase the full amount and not monthly. Oh yeah, you can't do monthly if you wanted to get the free domain. You have to purchase like the 23 for 12 months, something like that. So yeah, if you want the free domain, that's what you have to do. Now, if you don't care about the free domain and you just want to pay for your domain and then just do monthly, then you have to do this. You can buy BoujeeBarbie.net. You can buy BoujeeBarbie.net now, but you still have to upgrade. Yeah. So you just click on that. I think the domains are. Oh, okay. So the domains are cheap. You have to renew them yearly, every 2 years, or every 1, 2, or 3 years. Yeah. So I have the 2-year one for $27.90, or you could do $12.95 for 3 years or whatever. If you know you're going to have your logo for a long time, you might as well just go ahead. I mean, if you know you're going to have this domain for a long time, you might as well just go ahead and just purchase the 3 years. Like, it's not that much. It's only $40. So I would say minimum about $75 just to start up your website and start making payments. And you can make that $75 back so fast. I'm telling y'all. So once you click to the next page, once you go to contact info, it's going to take you here. You're going to put in all of your information, and then you're going to continue, and then eventually you'll go to the checkout stuff and you'll have your domain. And that's your domain. This is going to be your domain for people to find your website. This is what you can put in your bio, okay? BoujeeBabe.net. Not for real. You'll have your own, so be creative. So you'll have like your website, and then as long as you pay for your website plan, then you can go ahead and accept payments, and then that's pretty much it. Like, it's really simple, honestly. So like I said, this is just going to be a beginner video showing you guys of how to make a website. Also, once you do get your website together and you start receiving sales and stuff like that, you can then track your analytics and see where your customers are coming from, stuff like that. I can try to show y'all mine, but no, let's not get into that. Let's just make this strictly about how to make a website. So that's pretty much all you really need to know to make a website. You want to just make sure you purchase your domain, purchase your plan in order for you to accept payments. Like I said, I use the PayPal option, and you can just use a template to create your website. So you can always preview your website before. Oh, and once you're all finished with your website and done adding your products and all of that, you you hit publish, and that will publish it to everybody, for the world to see. So you just hit publish. I'm not gonna publish this, but well, it's gonna publish, but I'm gonna go back and delete it. So yeah, once you hit publish, it's gonna be published, and it won't be published like this unless you haven't bought your domain. But that's why it has that free option, because you can post a website for people to look at, but they won't be able to purchase without you selecting an actual plan and domain. So yeah, this will be the free option. Like this whole website, that would be like a free option. But like I said, you won't be able to accept payments. So let's view the website. Yeah, so basically everybody that comes to your website will see this if you don't purchase your domain and your plan. Now, another thing you could do is when you do receive site visitors, you can have it on your phone to where you can see everybody who's on your website. That's gonna be in another video, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. Shop all. We only have this one. Let's see. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to purchase nothing. See, and when your customers check out, they can check out with PayPal. But look, see, it's not gonna let you because you didn't pay for a e-commerce plan. I guess you could do a test order. I didn't know you could do that. Let's see. A test order. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it, you guys. So if you guys have any questions in the comments in regards to setting up your website and things like that, I'll try my best to help you guys. But I feel like I put everything in this video. So I feel like I put everything that you guys needed to know in this video. So I'm just gonna go in and unpublish this or trash it or whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and trash this, and I hope that helped you guys out. Please let me know, like I said, if you have any more questions in the comments, and I'll be glad to try to assist you with those. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Boujee Babes.